One of the problems to experience in our house is having dirty dishes. Want to know on how you can clean them properly? Hello guys, I'm Dwayne Axel and I'm going to show you the proper ways in washing the dishes. So let's start. First, we have to prepare the things that we needed. We must have the sponge and the liquid detergent. First thing to do is we have to scrape all the foods in the dishes. Next, we have to pre-rinse all the dishes. Start with the lightest items first. Starts with the glasses, cups, and flatwares. Pour a small amount of dishwashing liquid on a wet sponge. Now soak each piece individually and rinse it with water. Lay your dishes out on the rack. And lastly, wipe down the sink. Always remember, cleaning dishes and utensils are important to your family's health. Thank you for watching. Bye!